Oh hey, you caught me in the middle of repairing my RV. I know what you're thinking. You read the title of the video and you just want to know how much we spent on RV repair costs. Well, we spent $6,842.69. You want to find out where that money went? We're going to break it down piece by piece. I'm even going to throw some old repair footage in there, B-roll. It'll be really cute. Two things before we get started. One, when we bought this baby, she was well taken care of by her previous owner. She's just a little bit old. And number two, I know your brother-in-law could have probably done some of these repairs for 1/10 of the price, but when you're out on the road, you got to pay what you got to pay to get back on the road. We spent $1,097.93 on two brand new Michelin tires for the Stair tires in front. We moved the used tires to the back. They're not as important, they still had tread left, but we wanted brand new, reliable tires in the front, and these are really the best of the best. Before the trip even started, we had my buddy Dwayne, who's a mechanic, crawl around the entire RV, and he found a bunch of problems that we weren't even aware of. We spent $1,578.30, and he fixed the ball joints. He put all new brakes on this thing, and he found a rear axle seal leak that we thought was just actually a little bit of grease on the wheel or something, but it could have been a really bad leak and could have left us stranded on the road. These are Stairs. We spent $94 buying a new Stair motor and a linkage because, I mean, this might be on me. I kind of broke it. It was gonna break anyway.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I broke this, but we had to fix it anyways. $94. This replacement wiper assembly was $60 from Winnebago. It arrived broken. They didn't necessarily care. Fixed it with some zip ties right away. I don't know, this fell off almost immediately when we were driving, so really easy repair. The first time we fixed the windshield was $112. The second time we fixed the windshield was 2 months later. That was $93. Alaska is really tough on windshields. The reason we had to fix it so much, RV windshields are huge. They are magnets for rocks. Those are hydraulic jacks. They're really important so our RV can be level. We had a problem where the jacks weren't lifting all the way. We needed to top off the hydraulic fluid, which just turned out to be transmission fluid. $8. That's an RV generator. They almost all look the same. We spent $720 to get ours running again because it's really important to have a generator when you're in Arizona coming into summer. Otherwise it gets pretty hot. For $720 we got a new solenoid, a new control board, voltage regulator, and a whole bunch of troubleshooting, and we got to see another repair center. You can't put a price on that.
You might remember an episode of Tripped where our engine light comes on in Phoenix, Arizona. $2,280.87 for a tune-up, spark plugs, new wires, knock sensors, and ignition coils. And interestingly enough, I know what those are now.
Our hood fell off twice while we were driving around. Cost about $35 in parts from Lowe's to fix. I was really excited to get to fix this. To be fair, the hood didn't fall completely off. The bracket broke off on one side, so I had to get some C-clamps, some JB weld, and re-adhere this to the body of the motor. $8 for a washer fluid cap, because it was impossible to find the right size plastic cap, so I just bought something that fit. That's a propane leak detector. You have one in your RV. They're only good for about 5 years. Otherwise they start waking you up in the middle of the night. It's gonna run you about $87 to replace.
$87 for that sensor?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Well, it could save your life. Hey look, a bathroom exhaust. There's a fan blade in there. For some reason they fall apart. A new fan blade is gonna set you back about $8. Look, water coming out of a faucet. All possible because, well, Finn reminded me while we were shooting this video, I had to replace the water pump while we were driving around this year. Water pumps are about $50 to $100. They're not that hard to replace. It is difficult finding the exact replacement model though. Good old Amazon had something for us though. As a special bonus expense, where we had thought we had already spent all the money fixing up the RV, on our way back home, the exhaust separated. So we spent $216.64 to buy just 2 gaskets and get the exhaust put back together. Luckily, it was nothing too major and we were in and out of Big Al's in under a day. Great place, but you know, $216 more.
Yeah, that's since recording the video 4 days ago. So with the additional costs plus the water pump, I think that Tim forgot when he was recording, the actual grand total is, well, knock on wood, we've got about 600 miles to go. But assuming that's it, the grand total is...
That's how easy it is to spend almost $7,000 on repairs for a $21,000 RV. If you're looking at a used RV, you should also be planning on spending quite a bit to get that baby roadworthy so you can do 20,000 miles too. If you want to see some of our breakdowns and repairs happen to us, there'll be links in the description below. Also, we did this whole renovation in the RV. I didn't include any of those costs. Links to the renovation, that's also in the description. Finally, if you just want to get a little bit more detail on these repairs, that's going to be an article. But guess what? If you want to read the article, there's probably going to be a link down in the description. Okay, the video's over now. See you guys. Bye.